Welcome, everyone is a Nokia 2720 Flip, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply go to the settings, which I have a quick shortcut right over here, but normally you would access it by going to the menu and finding the settings toggle. So from the settings you want to go this side till you get to the device category right here, and then scroll down to battery, where you will find power saving mode. So click on that, turn it on, and there we go. Now your device is in power saving mode. And once you will want to disable it, just go back here. There is no quick toggle for it, so you just have to go back and simply select to be off. And that is how you would turn it on and off, and where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.